Man, did I tell you about that last Bowser fight? Bowser was all like, "You will not defeat my minions," and then I ate his bagels.
No shit.
The face.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm hitting the stair with a hammer. What does it look like I'm doing? Why are you still here? Don't hit me. You never know what's in me. There could be like 50 Bowsers in here. So just pass me up. I would spare the violence.
Describe what Marcellus Wallace looks like. What? Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time. He's black. Go on. He's bald. Does he look like a bitch? What? Does he look like a bitch? No! Then why you try to fuck him like a bitch, Brent?
That was without a doubt the most random thing on the face of the earth.
Was it more random than this?
No. Ha.